Is it possible to get laser-like speed and high-quality prints from an inkjet printer without breaking the bank? Meet the Brother MFC-J4335DW, an all-in-one inkjet printer that claims to deliver exceptional performance at a surprisingly affordable cost per page. But is it truly the best budget printer in 2025? In today's review, we'll break down the real-world performance, features, and everything you need to know before you click buy. Product overview. The Brother MFC-J4335WD is a compact all-in-one color inkjet printer designed for home offices and small businesses. Released as part of Brother's INKvestment Tank series, it stands out for its cost-efficient ink usage, fast print speeds, and wireless connectivity. This model supports printing, scanning, copying, and faxing, offering excellent versatility for remote workers, families, and budget-conscious users. Since its release in late 2021, it has consistently ranked among the top-rated printers on sites like PC Mag and TechRadar. Performance. So how does the MFC-J4335WD perform in the real world? In our hands-on testing and reviews from expert sources like Tom's Hardware and Ratings.com, this printer punches well above its weight. It prints black and white documents at around 19 ppm and color at about 16 ppm. Impressively fast for an inkjet in its class. The first page out time is under 10 seconds, and double-sided or duplex printing is automatic. It easily handles multi-page reports, schoolwork, and even light photo printing with decent color accuracy. One pleasant surprise? Even under heavy usage, the printer stays quiet and doesn't jam often, a major plus for home users who print in bursts. While it's not built for photo lab quality prints, for everyday tasks and occasional glossy prints, it gets the job done without a hitch. Features and tech. Let's talk about features because this isn't your average budget inkjet. INKvestment Tank system, the biggest highlight. Unlike traditional cartridges, the J4335WD uses ink tanks that last up to a year based on average monthly usage. This dramatically reduces the cost per page, which Brother estimates at just 0.9 cents for black and 4.7 cents for color. Wireless and mobile printing. Supports Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, AirPrint, and Mopria, making it seamless to print from iPhones, Androids, Chromebooks, or laptops without touching a cable. 2.7-inch color display. A user-friendly screen with tactile buttons for fast access to settings, scanned email, or cloud printing. Compared to similar models like the Epson EcoTank ET2850, the Brother offers a simpler setup with faster speeds and slightly better document quality, though the Epson wins in photo quality. Design and build. The Brother MFC-J4335WD sports a compact yet practical design. It's built mostly of matte black plastic with a functional layout that feels durable for everyday use. Weighing around 17.6 pounds and measuring 18.1 by 13.2 by 7.9 inches, it fits nicely on a desk or home office shelf. The paper tray holds up to 150 sheets, and the ADF is conveniently placed on top without making the unit bulky. The control panel tilts for better visibility, and while the 2.7-inch display isn't a touchscreen, its navigation is intuitive. Pros. Extremely low cost per page with investment tanks. Fast print speeds for an inkjet. Excellent mobile and wireless printing options. Automatic duplex printing plus ADF for efficient workflows. Cons. Photo print quality is average. Display is not touchscreen. Lacks USB direct printing or SD card slots. Price and value. As of mid-2025, the Brother MFC-J4335WD typically retails for $139 to $169 USD. For the features and ink savings it offers, it easily outclasses many printers twice its price. The included starter ink lasts for up to 1 year, so you're saving right from day one. Considering long-term use, it's one of the best value printers under $200. Setup and installation. Setting up the J4335WD is refreshingly simple. Brother's mobile app walks you through each step from inserting ink to connecting Wi-Fi. The entire process takes under 15 minutes. It also auto-detects firmware updates, so you stay current without hassle. A quick tip, use Brother iPrint and Scan for smooth PC to printer communication. Final verdict. The Brother MFC-J4335DW is one of the most impressive all-in-one inkjet printers in the budget category. It nails the essentials: speed, affordability, ease of use, and long-term ink savings without complicating your life. While it's not built for professional photo printing or advanced media types, it delivers laser-like performance at an inkjet price. For under $200, you're getting solid print quality, modern wireless connectivity,